What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how to braid expression synthetic hair. So the first thing I do is just start from the back side and make a section, just small sections, and apply the hair to your real hair and wrap it around, just braiding. Like it doesn't have nothing new, just braid as a regular and just do it again and again. That's it, just the braiding. By the way, the expression hair is very nice hair. It's so soft and it's nice braiding hair, and the color is a light brown color. As you can see, it's one nice color. It's just lovable color. So guys, we do the same process, just braid it again and again. At last I use the different, like it's different braiding, or just what to call French braiding, you can call it like that. So guys, as you can see, this is so easy to apply and very easy to do. So try it on yourself, you can try it on your friend, on your family. Just try, it's so easy and quick. So guys, I'm done with this hair, I'm done with this video. See you by other videos. Don't forget to subscribe, just if you like, share our channel. See you soon by other videos. Bye bye.